My computer. Oh, you're hot now.
Cool.
Good morning. Okay, Shane, what was the reason why you chose Richard Dickinson or First Equity Financial?
Um, I I think a couple of things. So obviously, like having a reference is huge. So knowing somebody that already used you guys and yourself personally. But my realtor Jeremy referred me to another guy that he used recently from a different company, and he had his stuff together, but he kind of rubbed me the wrong way. Where his whenever you guys do your um, initial pre-approval, um, supposed to be a soft pull on your credit. And I told him I was shopping around to see who can, earn my business and, yada, yada, yada. And he did a hard pull on my credit for initial approval for one of the houses I was looking at, which I work in like the credit industry as well, where I set up customers with security systems and smart homes, and we have to do a soft pull and a hard pull. And one of the easiest ways to piss off one of my customers is to do a hard pull when you told them it was soft. And so, yeah,
Understood. A little misdirection there at the start.
correct. Yep. So then I was pretty sold on using him, but then that opened up the floodgates again for me shopping around, and then that's when I posted on my social media saying, "Hey, anybody that has a mortgage lender reference, send it my way." And then Steven sent your info over.
Yeah, we helped Steve out probably like 2 or 3 years ago. Great kid. What was
Yep.
the price point you purchased at?
It was 445.
Beautiful, beautiful. And then going through the process, and I don't know, so I always like to ask this. It could have been Jeremy or myself, but what was one of the things you liked most about it, or what did you discover that was really cool or unique about going through the process of buying this house?
Um, so this was my second house I bought, so I've kind of like have seen how it goes and knew what to expect. So it was pretty easy. All I had to do was send over my paperwork that you needed, and you facilitated everything you needed to do. And then if you needed to get more info or whatever, it was a pretty smooth process.
I like that. I like that. And then finally, man, if you had a chance to refer us to some friends or family, would you do so?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh man, that's super awesome. Shane, I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much.